our channel. Today we are going to know about a case study related to the Instagram hack account in the real world scenario. We all know using the Instagram, right? In that case, we facing some issues like our account is stealed by someone means in that time what are the things we want to do as the next step if our account is hacked means and what are the preventive measures which must be taken to prevent from these attacks. Those things we will cover in this case study, which is really happened. Let's get into our topic today. The real hero of this case study is our Instagram account because lot of people are using the Instagram account not only for their personal posting and reviewing or some other things. They started the business ideas through these platforms, right? They started to make Instagram pages to their product and gain more customers and their reviews and how the product is made or make process of making their product, how the quality is this product, all those things they just show off to gain uh, more reputation to their product, right? More reputation to their company. So those things are happening through this Instagram. A lot of business IDs are present in this Instagram, right? So in our case study, the scenario is based on Sarah's Instagram account. Okay, she also having the small business. She specialized in handmade jewelries. This case study is happened in March 2024. After the after she get into the trouble, that means get into the page is hacked. After that, her email and phone number was removed by the hacker because if he or she uh, doesn't remove their original victim's ID or phone number means they can again access to their account, right? If as much as possible, right? So immediately the hacker will gaining access to some other accounts means definitely they will remove their email and phone number. What are the things which is linked to the original person, right? So they makes a more safer side of idea to don't allow the victim person to regain their account, right? And in this case the Sarah has more than 12,000 plus followers for as a business customers. Okay, after oh, okay. In this phishing links via direct message, which means the hacker sends the phishing links directly to the victim person, which means Sarah received the direct message by the unknown number or an unknown website or a unauthorized person through their message or a Gmail or maybe a message, normal message maybe which is shown in top 10 jewelry brand listed in the matches link. The matches link is appeared to Sarah in top 10 jewelry brands. She doesn't realize this is a fake Instagram login page. She just entered the credentials and granting the attack access. If the attacker needs to crack our Instagram means definitely it by our mistake only. Instagram is more secure. As much as secure they were provided, the hacker can't made a attack or do something in the Instagram to attack the some other person's ID is definitely not possible. As a hacker, we all hear these questions, right? I have a boyfriend or girlfriend. I need to hack this Instagram account, bro. I want to access her Instagram. That like questions, lot of people asked to me also at my initial stage of my studies and initial stage of my career. Now itself, lot of people are keep on asking about these questions. But definitely, hacker can't do these kind of things if an Instagram account is hacked, definitely the victim only the reason for that hack. The while we giving the browser to accept the cookies, right? While we entering the password of the login page, those things also captured by the browser, right? The attacker can hack, right? And through the phishing links is a base. I think a lot of people be aware, and some of them may not be aware of these links, right? They just clicking the link which is similar to the Instagram page. They just typed and enter all the credentials. After that, they lost their account, right? So that that scenario is also happened to Sarah. What went wrong? Key vulnerabilities exploited. Like lack of phishing awareness is the major reason in this particular case, because Sarah doesn't know about the fake logging page can mimicked by the big hacker, right? So hacker can do mimic all the logging pages as much as the original, right? So Sarah has no awareness about this phishing link. And there is no two-factor authentication means the hacker can easily get into our account. The two-factor authentication is nothing but there is a two factors to authenticate our credential. Okay, like it may be a password, it may be an OTP, it may be a fingerprint or biometrics. And some other things. Okay, so without the two-factor authentication, we can't safeguard our account as much as possible. If we um, made two-factor authentication means it will be more critical to the hacker to hack the account. Okay, so two-factor authentication is mandatory in all the applications we are using day by day. And then email compromise means we just accepting all the emails, we just responding all the emails without seeing the hair from which Gmail the sender is sent it to us, right? The we want to check each and everything which is comes from the trusted source or not. Those things we want to check. It may be a scam message, it may not be a scam message, right? We just scrolled and just clicking all those links and type the credential means definitely we will get into the trouble. Okay, and recovery step is regaining way of Instagram account. It is a major thing if you are getting the hack. If you get through the hack means definitely you want to on the spot, we want to do all those things. Like first one is reporting to the Instagram. We can't, as a hacker also, we can't do anything to retrieve the account when like this scenario of Sarah is which has happened to us means we can't regain our account. Instagram is not like an other applications. We just wanted to report to the Meta. So Instagram.com/hacked. This is the particular web page we can directed to um, report this is my count recovery means we can just report as the initial process of regaining our account. Okay, and then verify identity. The verification of identity may be our photos, maybe our some other original documents may be used for the verify our identity as a user. Okay, maybe most of the times it may be a face recognition only. And then account restored, the account restored will be done by the Meta, which is combined with the Instagram, right? So Meta only restored the account within the 5 days after they review all the process. Definitely this is Sarah's account means definitely they will recover to our without the follower drop or reputational damage. We can retrieve all our account credentials. Okay, yeah. Lessons learned to protecting your digital presence. In this case, we can get to know understand about the criterias like verifying link before we want to uh, click and entering all our credentials. It is not about the credentials only. Before clicking any link, we just wanted to be aware about this link is safe or not. This link is came from a trusted resource or not. It is if it is not come from the trusted resource, definitely we won't. click the link as much as possible. And enable two-factor authentication is mandatory in all those apps, including WhatsApp also we having the two-factor authentications, right? So all the applications need a two-factor authentication to give an extra layer of security only, and then made the strong passwords. If a password is weak also, the hacker can easily made a brute force or some other attacks, right? So we just wanted to make, especially we just include the special characters like question mark, those symbols made our passwords more as much as stronger, okay? Case study which make clear about what are the preventive measures, what are the precautions, what are the proactive, and also the after we getting an attack means what are the things we want to do. All those things we just covered in this video. I hope this video will be helpful to all other persons. Make sure to share to many other peoples who are interested in this cyber related contents. And thanks for watching.